guys, welcome back to my channel, and for those who are just visiting my channel for the first time, this is Maison's Beautiful Kitchen where I do cooking videos. And for those who are subscribed, thank you all for tuning back in today's video. So today I'll be showing you how I season and cut up my chicken for baked chicken. Here I have my whole chicken here. It's thawed. I'm going to start by cutting it up. So guys, I'm going to be cutting it with my big knife. So I'm going to be cutting it into joints. So there it is. We have our leg. Pull me back. Then the wing. So I just wanted to shoot this video, guys, so you can see how I cut up my chicken and also season it for we're doing baked chicken today. Chicken fall from. Get it down nice and tight possible. Guys, I'm still cutting my chicken. Doing some of them smaller. Not really too small, but guys, when I can't get your chicken, you just have to start chopping. I have finished cutting up and stripping and cleaning my chicken. I'm now going to carry it outside to wash it with some vinegar or lime, and then I'll come back and show you the seasoning up process. So I'm going to wash it and then I'll come back. See you. So guys, I'm getting ready to put my chicken in my water, my vinegar water. So I'm just taking them, putting them in there and allowing them. Now I got my lime, squeeze it in the water, just like rub it on the floor when I put it in the water. Not too much enough. So guys, here we have our chicken. I'm just going to stir it. Add all my seasoning. So guys, that's it for this section of the video where I cut up my chicken, I washed it, I cleaned it, I seasoned it, and now I'm about to put it to marinate. Then we continue with the cooking process.